Hello and welcome. Are you looking to boost your profit margins and take your business to the next level? In just a few minutes, I will share simple yet powerful tips to maximize your profit and grow sustainably. Number one, know your numbers. First thing first, know your numbers. Profit is the difference between revenue and cost. Track every expense, from salaries to utilities, and regularly analyze your financial statements. Tools like QuickBooks or even simple Excel sheets can help you monitor and cut unnecessary costs. Remember, what gets measured gets improved. Number two, optimize pricing strategies. Review your pricing strategy. Are you charging what your product or service is worth? Value-based pricing. Charging based on the value you deliver rather than just cost can increase your margins. Test different price points. Offer premium options and watch how your customer respond. Number three, increase efficiency. Efficiency is key. Streamline your operation to reduce waste, whether it is time, material, or manpower. Automate tasks, renegotiate supplier contracts, and focus on high-impact activities that directly contribute to revenue. A well-oiled machine keeps costs low and profits high. Number four, upsell and cross-sell. Upselling and cross-selling are gold mines for maximizing profit. Offer upgrades, complementary product to your existing customer. For example, if someone buys a phone, suggest a case or warranty. It is easier and cheaper to sell to existing customers rather than to acquire new ones. Number five, focus on high margin products. If you are focused on high margin product or services, identify what brings in the most profit and invest in marketing those. It is not always about volume. Sometimes a smaller number of premium sales can yield higher return than bulk sales at low prices. And there you have it. 5 actionable steps to maximize your profit. Remember, know your numbers. Optimize pricing, improve efficiency, upsell, and focus on high margin products. If you found this helpful, like and share this video and let me know in the comments which tips you will implement first. Don't forget to subscribe for more business insights. See you next time.